Selling digital products in 2025 is a promising and scalable way to earn income, build a personal brand, or grow a business with relatively low overhead. With increasing internet accessibility, digital payment methods, and online platforms, entrepreneurs have more tools than ever to reach global audiences. 1. Understand what digital products are. Digital products are intangible goods that are delivered electronically. Unlike physical products, they don't require inventory, shipping, or storage. Common examples include ebooks and guides, online courses and webinars, software and apps, graphics, templates, and design assets, photography and stock videos, music, beats, and sound effects, memberships and subscriptions, printables and planner. In 2025, artificial intelligence and automation tools have also made it easier to create more sophisticated products, such as chatbots, digital avatars, and interactive media. 2. Choose your niche and product type. Success in digital product sales hinges on solving a specific problem for a target audience. Instead of trying to appeal to everyone, focus on a niche where you have knowledge or passion. How to choose a niche. Assess your skills. What do you know or do better than others? Research demand. Use tools like Google Trends, Reddit, or keyword planners. Identify problems. Find out what pain points exist in communities or industries. Validate with audience. Ask potential customers if they'd pay for a solution. Example pairings. Writers gives ebooks or templates. Designers gives Canva, templates, or icon packs. Educators gives online courses or printables. Developers give SaaS, tools, plugins, or scripts. 3. Create the product. A. Plan the product. Define your value proposition. What transformation will your product provide? Outline the content or features. Choose the format PDF, video, app, VIP, etc. B. Tools to create digital products. In 2025, several no-code and AI-assisted tools simplify creation. Ebooks, Canva, Vellum, Audicus courses, Teachable, Kajabi, Thinkific, Notion, Designs, Canva Pro, Adobe Creative Cloud, Figma. Software, Bubble, Webflow Glide, OutSystems, Audio, Video, Descript, Adobe Podcast, CapCut, DaVinci Resolve. Make sure the final product is polished, error-free, and provides real value. 4. Protect and package your product. While digital products are easy to distribute, they're also easy to copy. Use the following to protect your work. Licensing terms clearly state how the product can be used, PDF encryption or watermarking for ebooks. Memberships or gated content for courses, software activation, keys or limited API access. DRM digital rights management for high-value content. Compress and package your digital files using standard formats like .zip, .pdf, .mp4, or .docx to make them accessible. 5. Set up a sales platform. A. Choose where to sell. You have 3 primary options in 2025. 1. Marketplaces low effort, low control. Etsy for printables, templates. Gumroad all-purpose, digital products. Creative Market design assets. Udemy online courses. 2. Website or e-commerce platform, more control. Shopify Plus digital downloads app, Selfie, Payhip, WooCommerce for WordPress. 3. All-in-one creators platforms Podia, Kajabi, Thrivecart Learn. These let you host courses, landing pages, and payment in one place. B. Payment and delivery. Integrate payment systems, Stripe, PayPal, Apple Pay. Automate delivery via email or secure download link. Offer refunds or guarantees to reduce buyer hesitation. 6. Price your product. Digital products are scalable, but pricing should reflect value and competition. Pricing strategies, cost-based, rarely used in digital products, have low marginal costs, value-based, price based on the problem you're solving. Tiered pricing, offer basic and premium versions, subscription model for access to a library or ongoing updates. Experiment with a B, testing to optimize your price point. 7. Build an online presence you can't sell without visibility. Start building a brand and audience early. Start with a website or blog, build authority and collect emails, an email list. Use tools like ConvertKit or MailerLite. Social media profiles, Instagram, Twitter, X, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, depending on audience. Content marketing, write blog posts or make videos that solve related problems, give away free resources, lead magnets to build trust. Use SEO to drive organic traffic. In 2025, AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and CopyAI can help generate high-quality content quickly. 8. Launch and promote. A good launch strategy can make or break your initial success. Pre-launch steps, build hype, tease your product on social platforms, collect emails via a waitlist or lead magnet. Create urgency, use early bird pricing or limited bonuses. Launch tactics, email your list with a special offer, run a webinar or live event, partner with influencers or affiliates, promote in niche communities, Reddit, Discord, Facebook groups. 9. Automate and scale. Once your product is live, automation will save you time and help scale. Automation tools 2025. Zapier, Make, Connect platforms, for example, email to store. Chatbots, automate customer support, course drip content, deliver material over time, retargeting ads, use Facebook Pixel or Google Ads to re-engage visitors. 10. Analyze and improve. Use analytics to understand what's working, track sales, conversion, rates, and traffic sources. Analyze which emails or ads perform best.